Hey my beautiful friends, so I wanted to show you my office closet makeover. We're gonna do this hopefully this weekend. So we just got a bunch of stuff in here. We moved into this house and it had no shelving in here at all, so everything kind of just got dumped. So we're gonna put up some shelving. So yay! I can't wait. Alright guys, so I got it all cleaned out. So now it's just a big empty closet, ready for my husband to put beautiful shelves on. So I'm really excited about that. And now my office is a major disaster, but this will be the next project that we'll get done. We're gonna put shelves up over here and everything like that. You can see my desk and whatnot. So we'll get this all taken care of. Okay, so we've got lines up everywhere to where all the shelving is gonna be. So it looks really good in here. I'm pretty excited. It's all spaced out. Next step will be putting up the shelves. Yay! Doing a little sneak peek on the progress here. Everything's looking really good. Look at that. So this side will only have 2 shelves and these ones will have 4 each. The hubby is doing a fantastic job. I'm so excited for the progress in here. All right, it's me again. We have 3 rows of shelves here and here. 2 over here. This is where like our tree box and other stuff is gonna go. And then we decided we're only gonna put a shelf, sorry for my feet, right here on this line to this, to cover this up so it's not just wasted space, but so we can still use some of this floor space for things that we might need. So I'm really excited and I'm gonna start organizing and putting stuff on here and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, beautiful friends, the closet is finally done. So there's still room up over here and some up top over there for other stuff to be. But we've got our Christmas tree, some more Christmas decoration type stuff, stuff for doing mail, some arts and crafts stuff, silicone molds and other DIY stuff for sending out doTERRA samples, plastic wrap, paper, more doTERRA stuff, tons and tons of just doTERRA stuff, and other things as well. So I'm pretty excited with it and I love that there's room to grow. Hold on, sweetheart. And I love that there's room to grow. So I'm really, really excited about all of this. Paula, what do you think of the closet?
Cool.
Cool? Yeah. You love it? All right, so that's it for this. When my office is complete, I'll do a video on that. We're still working on the office, but at least the closet is complete and you guys can see this beautiful update. Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends.